Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you TikTok account blocked or locked. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. How to solve this problem that TikTok account is locked. Open the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines, click on settings and privacy, click on report a problem and click on that submit a problem by clicking on accounts and profile, manage account or editing profile, click on others. This type of options appear here. Your account is need more help, and right here the problem that your account is blocked and I want to be unblocked and submit it. TikTok team will show you notification by resolving this problem. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.